little chicken. Did I hold it? Can I hold it?
No. Be careful you don't squeeze him too hard. Watch out for Garfield. He's sneaking up behind you. And then make sure you wash your hands afterwards too.
This is our little baby chick. And this is Garfield. So Garfield will be nice. He'll try to be nice. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked it, please give a big fat like and love your subscriptions below, and thank you for watching.